Well, hey guys, welcome back. Now, new to the 2020 KTM 1290 Super Duke R is this beautiful TFT display dash. Now, because it is so big, it is prone to sort of scratches and chips from road debris and from constant sort of cleaning. So we're going to be looking at a product I've been sent by Speedo Angels today. They've sent me a nano glass cover that goes on top of the dash to protect it from any sort of damage. Now, you can get these in nano glass, you can get them in anti-glare if you find the dash glares too much. I don't find that at all on this bike, but you can get them if you need to, if you so wished, or you can get them in clear glass. So they've sent me this nano glass protector to go on top of the TFT display dash, so that is what we're going to be installing today. So let's get cracking. Now, inside the package comes your glass protector, depends on what variant you've bought, and a little sort of installation package. There's a little squeegee in there, some wipes to actually clean off the display before installing the glass itself. So in the package yourself, you get a little squeegee, and imagine that's to iron out all your sort of air bubbles. There's an anti-dust absorber, a microfiber cloth, and an alcohol wet wipe. So first off, we just need to clean the display with the wet wipe that's provided, just to get rid of any unwanted dust and debris. Just sort of dry that off with the microfiber. Now, depending on your sort of garage environment and where your bike's stored, you may have to use the dust absorber. It's just basically a sticky pad that you can stick onto the display just to lift off those little bits of dust should you have a lot in the place of storage. So it's recommended to install it with soapy water. So I'll just put a bit on there. We then need to take our nano glass, remove the peel off strip number 1. And again, on the back of this, just spray on a bit of soapy water onto the back of that also, and that helps us then align it up nicely onto the screen. You're happy you've got most of them out, you can then pull off says without lifting it all off. So for the Garmin Zoom XT, they've sent me a similar package, but in this one I've got an ultra clear lens and an anti-glare, but I'm going to try the ultra clear first because I don't find this needs it, but should I change my mind, I've got the anti-glare if I want to swap that out later on.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me. Baby, you and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we.
So that is the nano glass protector installed on the TFT display of my KTM Super Duke R for 2020, along with the clear lens protector installed on the Garmin Zumo XT. I would like to say a massive thank you to Speedo Angels for sending me their products for review. If you're interested in a lens for your particular TFT display dash, your Garmin, etc., they do all kinds of different lenses, so do check out their website. Links will be in the description below. Until next time, I will see you in the next one. Take care.
More, baby, you and me, we're like the